Week 14 is upon us, signalling the final week of bye weeks in the fantasy football season. This week, only 2 teams will be on their bye, so you won't have to worry about missing out on too many key players from your roster. When it comes to wide receivers, there are a few names that you should trust in Week 14. Rashee is a solid option as a Wr2, as he has been consistently producing for his team. Jayden is another receiver worth considering for your lineup. CBS Sports suggests adding him to your Week 14 lineups due to his recent performances. On the other hand, there are a few wide receivers that you might want to bench this week. While each fantasy team is unique and requires tailored decisions, there are a few players you should approach with caution. It's important to analyze factors such as matchups, recent form, and injury concerns when making these decisions. In conclusion, as the season progresses, it's crucial to make well-informed decisions when it comes to your fantasy football team. Pay attention to reliable sources, like CBS Sports, for insights and suggestions on which wide receivers to start or sit in Week 14. Keep in mind that every fantasy team is different, so adapt these suggestions to fit your specific roster and circumstances.